Well, I got more rocks today, but these ones are actually not mine. These ones are my husband's. He's been cutting full, and he's cut up some really cool ones I thought I would share with you guys. This is a jasper here. It's actually like a poppy jasper with yellow in it. Little teeny poppy orbs. Really, really pretty. And I kind of moved fast because there's quite a bit here, but just wanted to share. This one was wicked weird. Just kind of fell apart. Lots of inclusion-y stuff in it. Pocket of little quartz crystals in there. But this stuff I'm not sure we'll be able to work with much, but this one was really cool. We get a lot of these around our area. And, oh, there's a lot of saw marks on some of these, sorry, but it just really turned out pretty. And this one was really cool. This was one of his special finds. You can see the agate right on the outside there, look. So that's it rough. And this is it cut. Beautiful. Oh, I really like that one. Ooh, that one's really cool. And this here, I'm not quite sure, but I think that is fossilized coral. It's got druzy all over in it. Little juicy pockets. Really interesting piece that he has found. But even cut, I'm still not sure what it is. But I do think possibly fossilized coral. I'm not always right, but if anyone does have any clue of what that is, possibly, let me know. But anyway, this one really was cool. Just cut this one, he cut this one, not knowing what it would look like. And boom. Look at that. Really turned out beautiful. Like a picture jasper there. Yeah. Really nice one. Speaking of picture jaspers, this is another one he cut. Look, that's what it looks like on the outside. Look like it'd be much? You cut it. Wow. That way now, just stunning. Reminds me of Big's jasper. Wow. Found in Washington. All these were here. He found, should I say, here in Washington, of course. Beautiful. Look at that jasper. Oh, the colors. Amazing. These are some of my favorites, of course. You guys know that. And this here is just a really pretty piece of quartzite. With a lot of saw marks, but really pretty piece of quartzite. Red quartzite. And here we got a really pretty jasper agate. Look at the color of that. Amazing. Really nice one. This one is probably one of the nicest ones though. This is a special one right here, so you could tell on the outside, even by the fractures, the opal that's in this baby. Oh, right? Look at this. Look. Oh. Right on. What? Oh, I'm gonna set it down. I'm shaky right now. Isn't that just stunning? Oh my gosh. Just beautiful. Okay. Got a few more. This guy was really weird looking. You could tell it was something cool. You can almost see like this pocket here. Look at that. You can see the opal that's running in the center of that as well. The little agate in the center. Isn't that cool? Way cool. Those pieces kind of busted off, but and then we got this here. Try to go quick. Sorry, try not to make these too long for you guys. But look at that. Gosh, these just were so cool. I had to share these with you guys. He's found some really cool pieces. And this one is a big little chunk. I mean, you could see the chalcedony. It looks like it's gonna be like mossy coolness. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. That is going to be stunning. I can't wait to cut some slabs out of that. I'm sure he'll let me make some beautifulness. And another really cool piece of jasper. But I just wanted to share some coolness. Hope you guys like those. Anyway, till next time.